topic for this term is the graph of a circle. In graphing circle, you need to know the coordinates of the center and the value of the radius. It is easy to graph a circle using the standard form of equation because it gives you both pieces of information, the center and the radius. So we have here the standard form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So the h and k here represent the coordinates of the center of the circle being at the point hk, and r represents the radius. There are three ways to graph a circle. The first one is when the coordinates of the center are given and the radius. So let's have Sir John to give you an example.
For example number 1, the location of the center of our circle as well as the value of r are already given. All we have to do is to plot this information and graph the circle on the Cartesian plane. So the first step is to draw the Cartesian plane. But in this case, I'm just showing the quadrant 2. Now, first thing is we have to plot the coordinates of the center, which is -4 and 5. So it will look like this. Next, r is equal to 2. That means we have to count 2 units from the center to the left, to right, upward, and downward. So it will look like this. And we plot points. After that, last step, we're going to draw the circle itself. So we'll just connect all these dots. So this circle will look like this.
The next is when the given is a standard form. You first need to find the coordinates of the center, next, the radius. So let's have again Sir John for the example.
What if you're asked to graph a circle given the equation in standard form? So we have a prior knowledge of standard form. So we'll just apply it. We have to determine the coordinates of our center by identifying the value of h and k. So in this case, we have to get the number inside the parentheses. That's 2 and 5, but we'll put the opposite sign. So instead of -2, we'll write +2. Instead of +5, we'll write -5. After that, we have to determine the value of r. So 9 is the value of r squared in this equation. So that means you have to get the square root of 9, which is +3. So we're done with this. We may plot it on the Cartesian plane. So in this case, I'm showing you the lower part of the Cartesian plane. So this is the quadrant 3, this is quadrant 4. So our center is located at 2, -5. So it's located at quadrant 4. Since r is equal to 3, we have to count 3 units to the left, the right, upward, and downward. So we plot points. So they will look like this. Again, the last step is to draw the circle itself. So we'll just connect those points. And there it is.
And the last way to graph a circle is when a general form is given. So first, you need to get the standard form from the general form, then get the coordinates of the center and radius. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.